Hello everyone. In this topic, we'll see pricing and TCO calculators. We will also compare the pricing and total cost of ownership calculators. These two calculators are used for two different purposes. Both are accessible from internet. Both the calculators can be used to estimate the expenses which has incurred in Azure cloud. Pricing calculator will provide estimated cost for provisioning resources in Azure. You can use it to check how much you will spend when you deploy the services on the Azure cloud which you have selected. It will estimate the cost of provisioned resources in Azure cloud. Check the price for compute, storage, and network cost using the pricing calculator beforehand if you are dealing with any kind of solutions. We can also use the pricing calculator to estimate the storage type, access tier, and redundancy for the storage account what we are going to create. This is the pricing calculator tool which you will be able to access from the internet. This is a free tool which you can access from the internet. Select the popular category like compute, networking, storage. Estimate the cost for each of the resources which you are going to deploy onto the Azure cloud. And there are some example scenarios. If you click on example scenarios, there are multiple solutions which are given and the cost you will be able to estimate for those resources as well. Let us see what is TCO calculator. TCO calculator is used to compare the cost between on-prem and Azure cloud. The pricing calculator is used to estimate the cost of Azure resources, whereas the TCO calculator is used to compare the cost between your on-prem and the Azure cloud. So with the TCO calculator, enter your infrastructure configuration which you are running in on-prem, which might include the servers, database, storage, and also the outbound traffic. So basically you are collecting all the information related to your on-prem. So there might be 100 servers, there might be some 10 database, and the data traffic, amount of data traffic. So everything you are going to enter and compare with the Azure cloud. And also you can add the power cost and IT labor cost as an assumption when you are comparing your on-prem with the Azure cloud. And there is also an option to do the bulk upload where you can upload the infrastructure configuration, which is nothing but the servers, database, storage, data traffic, and power and IT labor cost. So you can upload all the information using bulk upload using Excel file or CSV file, and you will be able to compare the on-prem environment with the Azure cloud. In case if you don't want to do the bulk upload, you wanted to enter the servers and the configuration one by one, you can name the configuration, which is the workload, and you can select which operating system and what is the type of environment, whether it is a physical server or virtual machine, what type of operating system, how many servers you have in your on-prem, and what are the CPUs and the cores per CPU, the RAM per physical server or virtual machine, and you will be able to compare with the Azure cloud. So in exam, if you are asked about the tool used to compare on-prem infra, calculate IT labor cost, power, it will be TCO. If only resources are on Azure cloud, then it will be pricing calculator. So now we know the difference between pricing calculator and total cost of ownership calculator. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.